I did. I attended one earlier to start my day around decentralized trials and the impact on study design. I loved it. I thought it was really informative. There was a handful of sponsors in there and vendors, so we got to really collaborate on our different viewpoints and how we see the industry shaping, and also some of the items that we've learned from the past.
I think they were quite useful, especially the facilitators were able to get a lot of information from the attendees at the sessions. So it was more of a collaborative session than just a round table.
Very informative, getting some good information from industry peers, what other companies are experiencing right now.
It was terrific roundtable. Loved the engagement from everyone, especially around cutting-edge topics like AI, and hearing how they're using or evaluating these new technologies was really tremendous.
I think they were engaged. We had a good discussion. We had a different backgrounds, so they had perspectives which were different from my direct experience. So I learned about them, also about their roles, their career, and what they're doing. And we compared notes about where studies, in phase 1 studies, were placed now, preferentially, which options, and how these options are different from the ones we had, let's say, 10, 15 years ago.
I think it was a good mix of people, not everyone was fully in the know of what goes on in this oncology development universe, and it was a good mix of folks who had an interesting amount of questions, more to share as well as to contribute from both sides.
I found it incredibly collaborative. Not only did I find it collaborative, I found it very intimate, and I think these types of opportunities and conferences like this can go a really long way in terms of building relationships and really understanding the values that are really important to our partners.
Very informative, very focused, direct to the point with regards to great questions from the sponsors. They wanted to know how we can help minimize risk for them in the conduct of their trials. We've got some meetings set up for the next couple of weeks, actually.
The networking was terrific. It was great getting to hear about exciting things going on in other companies like ours, or in the vendor space as well, and just to understand the landscape.
Amazing. I think your team has done a phenomenal job of reaching out to the right people and getting everybody involved. And overall, I think it's been an awesome conference.
I think there was great diversity. I spoke to CEOs, clinical operations people, supply chain people, as well as some project managers. So I think there was a good mix of roles from within the industry.
Yeah, quite a diverse crowd. Lots of different functions were represented, everything from program management, regulatory, quality, CMC. Yeah, it was great to have just diverse perspective.
Medium, high level, but all of them, each one of them had many years of experience in their current positions, and they got to their current positions through different paths, and so that also made it very interesting for me.
It was pretty good. People from different departments, in smaller companies, bigger companies, zero, so it was quite good.
I will see you next year.
Yes, I will.
Oh, most definitely. I'm looking forward to next year.
Yes, if the organizers would be as nice as the ones I found at this time.
Well, absolutely, yeah. I look forward to the next one, and yeah, very much excited to keep attending this event and having more of these in the future.
Yeah, I think I have heard about this before, this conference, but never had the time, and the docket was always in conflict with something.
Yeah.
And so now I know that this is popular among some of my colleagues as well, and so I'll stop by next year, this time.